Good morning. It's Sunday, February 4th, 2024. Out here hiking these hills over by Walmart over here. It's a nice day out. About 41 degrees. Over there's Tractor Supply. Over here's Walmart. Up there's Bays Mountain. It's like a camp over there. There's a mattress. Bunch of trash. I'm gonna get off the trail over there and head into these woods. See if we can find any birds in here. A lot of down trees. This little one looks like, I don't know what happened to that guy's roots right there. It's like something ate those roots or something. I hear birds up in here. Pretty cool how this little tree here has wrapped itself around this other fallen tree here. It's going round and round like a spiral. Keeps on going up that way. There's an interesting tiny little mushroom here. Went out to a little road here. On the other side of that road is the North Fork of the Holston River. Over there's a rock quarry. And somewhere over this way is the river. Looks like some kind of construction area over here or something. There's some little birds right over here. I'm not sure what those little birds were. They're all up here, a bunch of them. Well, I saw 2 or 3 anyway. Got dark heads way up in the sky. I don't know if you can see it, but appears to be some vultures up here. And this is a bunch of dirt and rocks. Down here, barely make it out down there. There's some railroad tracks. And then there's a bridge, a train bridge that crosses the North Fork of the Holston River right down in there. No, I'm not gonna walk down in there. Not today. I'm gonna get back into these woods over here. Make my way back down to Stone Drive down there somewhere. Looks like a little chickadee over here, flitting around on those orange leaves. Some kind of strange looking. Oh, it's a tree stand over there. Let's go check that out. And there's a bunch of deer over there hanging out by the tree stand. They just went up that hill over there. Looks like a poor man's tree stand, made out of sticks. An old lawn chair there, and you got the ladder made out of sticks, and then you got a metal platform there. Over here you got the I guess that was their roof if it was raining. Keep them out of the sun. Yeah, there was a bunch of deer over here, so I guess that's a good spot. For people who know trees, let me know what this is. I think it might be an ash. I don't know though. I don't know what else would, I know the ashes have been hit by some kind of disease. I don't know if that's what caused this tree, but it looks weird, like it's just broke apart. I don't know what broke it apart. Up there, that piece is falling, and this piece is down here on the ground, and it looks pretty fresh. There's down trees all over in this little area though. Wonder if this is just a bunch of ash trees. Down this little path, getting closer to the road, so you're getting more trash. I don't know what that is. It looks kind of weird. It's a little Tykes, some type of toy. I guess you ride it down a hill or something. Or it's a rocker. Yeah, it's a rocking chair or something. Red-tailed hawk. Checking me out. Actually, it's a turkey vulture checking me out. What you checking me out for, boy? Down there's Stone Drive. I believe it's West Stone Drive. There's a car wash. American Robin. I think coming right up to the road here. It'll lead us right back down to where we started. I made it back to the road here. That's Walmart down there. That's gonna do it for this one. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for hiking along. Catch you later. Roger, over and out. Generosity goes with a larger-hearted kindness. If kindness be the gentle sister, generosity is the strong brother. A free, open-handed, and magnanimous character is always attractive and influential. Stinginess and meanness always repel. They are dark, cramped, narrow, and cold. Kindness and generosity always attack. They are sunny, genial, open, and warm. That which repels makes for isolation and failure. That which attracts makes for union and success. Giving is as important a duty as getting, and he who gets all he can and refuses to give will at last be unable to get. For it is as much a spiritual law that we cannot get unless we give, as that we cannot give unless we get. Giving has always been taught as a great and important duty by all the religious teachers. This is because giving is one of the highways of personal growth and progress. It is a means by which we attain to greater and greater unselfishness, and by which we prevent the falling back into selfishness. It implies that we recognize our spiritual and social kinship with our fellow men, and are willing to part with a portion of what we have earned or possess, for man who, the more he gets, hungers for more still, and refuses to loosen his grasp upon his accumulating store, like a wild beast with its prey, is retrogressing. He is shutting himself out from all the higher and joy-giving qualities, and from free and life-giving communion with unselfish, happy human hearts. Dickens' Scrooge in A Christmas Carol represents the condition of such a man with graphic vividness and dramatic force. Our public men in England today, probably also in America, are nearly all, I think I might say all, for I have not yet met an exception, great givers. These men, Lord Mayors, magistrates, town and city councillors, and all men filling responsible public offices, being men who have been singularly successful in the management of their own private affairs, are considered the best men for the management of public affairs, and numerous noble institutions throughout the land are perpetual witnesses to the munificence of their gifts. Nor have I been able to find any substantial truth in the accusation so often hurled against such men by the envious and unsuccessful, that their riches are made unjustly. Without being perfect men, they are an honorable class of manly, vigorous, generous, and successful men who have acquired riches and honor by sheer industry, ability, and uprightness. Let a man beware of greed, of meanness, of envy, of jealousy, of suspicion, for these things, if harbored, will rob him of all that is best in life, aye, even all that is best in material things, as well as all that is best in character and happiness. Let him be liberal of heart and generous of hand, magnanimous and trusting, not only giving cheerfully and often of his substance, but allowing his friends and fellow men freedom of thought and action. Let him be thus, and honor, plenty, and prosperity will come knocking at the door for admittance as friends and guests.